Hey guy, welcome back to the Techno Programming channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to install sudo command in your PC so that it can work in cygwin terminal. Okay, so what I will do is I will tell you some processes that you can, after doing that process, you can use the sudo command in Windows. Okay, and I'm using Windows 11 here, as you can see here. So how to install sudo command in Windows 11. So let's get started. And before that, if you didn't like my video, please like my video, okay, and subscribe my channel. Now first, I have given a link of the Google Drive in which I have uploaded the file installed sudo.txt. Okay, and download that file, and after that open that file. Okay, so after opening it, it will appear like this. Okay, so there are two sections here, the command section and the environment variable section. Okay, so first what we have to do is we have to run this command and set these environment variable. I have to set these two directories in environment variables, but what I have to do is first I have to set these directories. Okay, then I will use these commands. Okay, so first press Windows button and write env. Okay, you can see the edit the system environment variables. Click on it. So this dialog box will appear, and click on the advanced tab and then click on environment variables. Now search for path in system variable box. Okay, so here it is the path, and double click on it. Okay, as you can see, I have already copied these two directories, but I will again show you how to do that. Okay, so I will show you how to set these directories. Okay, so first copy first directory. Okay, copy it and paste it, and click on new and paste it inside this box, and press and leave it. Okay, now next I copy next directory and paste it inside this text field. Okay, now what you have to do is press on OK and OK. Okay, after doing this, open your Windows PowerShell. Okay, so Windows PowerShell, and what you have to do is copy the first command here. Okay, set execution, this one, the set execution policy remove sign in scope control user. Okay, copy this and paste it here and press and type y in uppercase and press enter. Okay, now what you have to do is copy the second command here, IEX. Okay, this, and copy it and paste it over here. Now press enter. Before running this command, please connect your PC to the internet, because it will download some files. But I have already installed the scoop here. That's why it is showing that scoop is already running. The scoop runs to a both of the latest version. This is showing because I have already installed in my PC. But when you will run this command in your PC, first it will download some files and it will install this script. Okay, then what you have to do after this, it will not run. Now the third command will not run here. Okay, so what we will do that for it. Okay, now what we have to do is open cmd with administrative rights. Okay, click on run as administrator here, and okay, now copy that command scoop install global sudo. Okay, now press enter. It will start installing. It is showing that I have already installed. It is showing here one sudo is already installed. Okay, that's why it is showing like this. But in your PC, when you will run this command, what it will do, it will install all the files in your PC. Okay, now after doing that, you can run sudo command from command prompt also, and from the cygwin terminal also. Okay, sudo, you can see here it is running. So if you find this video useful, then please like my video and subscribe the channel if you are new to my channel, and set that bell icon to all, that you will never miss my new updates. Thank you. And if you have any problems, you can comment it. Okay, I can give a solution for that. Okay, so thank you.